This is a Samsung S21 Ultra, and this is what it's doing when we install our new SIM card on it. If you have this type of problem, don't worry, I'm here to help. Let's fix this. Let me explain. One day you're enjoying your documentaries on your TV, and the next day you decide you want to meet your ancestors and the mountains of Peru. You travel to that country and buy a local SIM card. But this happens when you insert the SIM card in a foreign country. This phone does not read the SIM card and now is asking for enter network unlock code. Your phone isn't allowed to use a SIM card. Wow, we having such a bad day, we cannot call none of our friends. If you have this problem, don't worry, I'm going to help you. This is what you gotta do. Something called network lag, and all these phones come with the lag network when you purchase them from your local carriers, especially if you buy this phone on payment plans or you have a contract on it. So you will need to finish that contract to gain access to that code. When you finish your contract, you can ask for the unlock code to your local carrier. Another way, if you have not finished to paying your device, another solution is you can purchase this code on eBay, but you will need to provide your IMEI of the serial number of this phone to the seller, which can implicate some, but if you are willing to accept the risk for the sake of unlocking your phone, you are welcome to do so. Alright, in this case, we got our unlock code here and ready. And to insert it, all we gotta do is, like I just mentioned, we put a foreign SIM card or a SIM card for a different carrier that this phone is originally from. If this phone is from AT&T, like in this case, we are going to insert an T-Mobile SIM card. If the phone is T-Mobile, you insert an AT&T SIM card. So let's do that and see what happens. So we have our unlock code right here, and our phone already prompted the unlock code request. So let's put the unlock code and see what's going on. Something that I forgot to mention is that this code is unique for each phone. So the code that I'm using on this video is not gonna work for your phone. Don't even try it. Alright, after typing our unlock code, just to make sure, always take your time and do it slowly. Make sure don't mistype any number. Let's just hit unlock. Alright, it was really quick. Probably you have to pause to read what it says, but it says network lag. So this code was accepted by this phone, and our phone is now unlocked to use on any country or any carrier. We are not tied anymore to a single carrier on this phone, and now you can enjoy this phone at any place or company. That's how you unlock, or at least this is some information if you are confused about what is your phone doing, why it's not working with a different SIM card. I'm gonna leave this right here, and this video is done. Thank you guys for watching. If this helped you to unlock your phone, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss future videos. Thank you guys. Happy unlocking. Bye now.